How to disable private browsing on Safari iPhone. I'll show you two simple methods in this video. Let's get started. First method, open Safari and tap on the tabs icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Private or All Tabs. Now select Start Page and hit Done. This will switch Safari from private browsing mode back to normal browsing mode. There's also a quick shortcut for this. If you want to switch into private mode, simply tap on the tabs icon and select Private. And whenever you want to return to normal browsing, tap the tabs icon again and select New Tab or Start Page. This will disable private browsing mode on Safari. Sometimes private mode can be confusing, especially when your tabs or browsing history seem to disappear. But this quick trick makes it really easy to switch back and forth whenever you want. And that's about it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.